spearmint that needs to be gathered and some mint. I kind of let the mint get away from me. It's not, I wish I would have gathered it sooner. I looked at it, I knew it needed to be gathered, and I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. And so now it's gotten a little lanky and all that good jazz, but it's still good, we're still fine, and we're still going to gather it. So, all right. So how do you tell the difference between spearmint and mint? Well, obviously there's a smell difference. So spearmint has more of a sweet, think of spearmint gum that most of us are familiar with. And then mint, to me, has like a deeper smell. You can also tell by the leaves. So let me show you that. So for me, my spearmint that I have has thicker leaves. You can see they're wider. Mint has thinner. So the mint has these thin, oblong leaves, kind of more textured, where the spearmint has, get it into focus, has a wider leaf and it's a little smoother. You put the leaves right next to each other, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And both of them are great in teas and even some honey infusions too. So we can also do that with honey, just like the thyme. And great for just coughs and colds. I love to use kind of natural things in the winter when the kids just have allergies and natural coughs and colds that they're going to get with the onset of cold weather.